Question number 5 says that a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million ppm of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows. We have to make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data with class intervals as 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08 and so on. And then we have to find for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million. We will draw first a grouped frequency distribution table. So we start with the class intervals as 0.00 to 0.04 as given in the question, and with a class size of 0.04 we construct the other classes as well. Now that we have constructed the various classes, let's find the frequencies associated with each of the class. So for the first class we get the frequency as 4, for the next one 9, for the next one 9 again, for the next one 2, then 4 and then 2. Now if we sum up all of these frequencies we get a total of 30, and that is the number of days for which the study was conducted. From this table, we can see that the number of days during which the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11 parts per million falls over 3 class intervals. And those class intervals are 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, 0.20 to 0.24. So if we add up the frequency of these 3 class intervals, that is 2 plus 4 plus 2, which equals 8, we can say that for 8 days we had a concentration of sulfur dioxide which was more than 0.11 parts per million. So the answer for the second bullet point would be 8 days. And this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.